What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Lorna Marie. If you're new here, welcome. Today for you, I'm bringing you a what's inside my Disneyland park bag. This is everything that I keep inside this bag to make my life a little bit easier and keeping all my necessities. And I've pared it down to be this little bag, which I'm proud of myself, instead of carrying a huge backpack, which is still nice because I'm hands-free. I have 4 kids, so mostly everything in here is for me. There's a couple things I like to keep, so in line, they're for my kids, but this bag is for mama. I have everything that's gonna be in our stroller and our diaper bag coming up really soon. I'm doing a whole series on my channel, so consider subscribing and hitting that little bell so you guys are notified every time I post a video. I do a lot of lifestyle, mommy, organization videos, and I would just love to have you guys. I'll list everything I can find for you in the down bar, including my website. It has all my favorites in one place. And if you like this sort of video and you feel like depositing some positive energies, give your girl a thumbs up. I'd so appreciate it. So if you guys want to see what I like to keep inside my little mini backpack for my day trip at Disneyland, then just keep watching. Like a fever, all right, you guys, this is the bag that I've been using. I just got this one when I was at Disneyland the other day for my daughter's birthday, and it's so cute. I have Mickey ears to match, so I'll probably be switching back and forth between this one. Obviously, I can only use this one at Disneyland, so it's so cute. It's by Loungefly. I've seen these on Amazon for $60, not the same kind, but if you just want a backpack and you don't want to pay, I think this was $85. So if you don't want to pay the $85, I think you save like 15 bucks. Go on Amazon and check it out. I'll try to link some in the down bar for you guys, but that is such a cute bag. I'm so excited. I've been using this one, so I just thought I would show you guys because it's already packed and ready to go. But I want to show you guys how I organize inside. I like my bag to be organized like a file folder. And so everything's just kind of like upright and all lined up so I can easily grab things as I go. And I try my best to put things back where they go. So when you're at Disneyland, things are so busy and you're shuffling through the crowd and people are waiting for you and annoyed and all that. So I try to keep everything ready to go so it's easily accessible. I'm gonna take my stuff out from the front to the back. So it's pretty much littlest to biggest from front to back. Okay, so the first thing we have, so I love bringing a fan because it gets super hot. I don't care if I look ridiculous. It doesn't matter to me. I got this one off of Amazon. It's cloth and plastic, but sometimes it gets so ridiculously hot. And of course I'm over here like with my hair in and full face of makeup trying to be all cute, and I'm like sweating balls. So I'm like, okay, I need to have a fan on me, which I don't bring an electric one. I just bring this one. It's totally fine. Okay, obviously sunglasses, that's a given. Those were sitting on top here. Then I have this little pouch, okay? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just this sleek little pouch that I slide right in here. And I use this every single time. I forgot it one time. I was pissed. But it has, dun-dun-dun-dun. It has my toothpicks. I have to have toothpicks on me. People that have been watching me for a while, they already know, like, I'm ridiculous with my toothpicks. In my car, everywhere, they're everywhere with me. But I also keep some of these Crystal Light packs just in case I want something sweet and I don't want all the calories, because I'm already eating a ton of calories. Why, you know, have it in your liquid? And then I have my little wisp, the little teeth brushing things in here as well. So I just keep them in this little bag. So next I have my little mirror. I got this from some company online, but this is an external battery charger. Oh, you guys, I have a whole video that I just did on all of my top 20 Disneyland hacks, and I will list that video for you guys. But this is one of my hacks that I listed in that video, is you have to bring an external battery, otherwise your phone's gonna die. You're just using the app and doing so many things, it's gonna die. I actually bring 2. So what I do is, this one's a mirror, so it has dual purpose, because a mirror would take up space anyways, so I feel like I might as well just have it do 2 things. But I also bring another one. This is another one. This is my regular one that I always bring. I love this one. You can get pretty much, I'd say about 1 to 2 charges, depending on how dead your phone is. And then I got this cute, whoa. Okay, that's probably because I dropped it when I was at Disneyland. Savage. Okay. Anyways, I love this thing so much. I definitely keep it charged, ready to go. I keep it in the car with me, and for some reason my car, it I can't listen to the radio when it's plugged into the charger. It's annoying. I don't know if you guys have that problem with your car, but anywho, I bought this cute little charger from Amazon and it's retractable. So I love this little guy. It's so cute, but look how small it gets. And I stick this in my little pouch here. I'll show you guys this in a minute. I have a, what is it called? A tech bag basically, but I keep this in there. And so when I'm using my phone, I'll unplug it. I mean, I'll stretch it out and I'll keep this and this inside my bag. So then my cord's just hanging out of my backpack, which is really nice. Or if I'm on a ride or busy or something, I'll just stick my charging phone on this inside of my backpack. So love this. The next two items are for my kids. And if you have kids, you know, like Band-Aids heal anything. If a kid trips and falls and he doesn't really need a Band-Aid, you just put a Band-Aid on it anyways and they help everything. So I just have a pack of Tylenol. This is, I have this in my travel bag video. I'll link that down for you guys too. But I buy these little paint containers off of Amazon. They're empty. And then I cut them and then I fill them. And so this is just the perfect little size to fit inside of here. And then I have my alcohol prep pads, just one thing of Tylenol, and just a bunch of Band-Aids. So I keep that in the front of my purse just because I don't bring my whole diaper bag on the ride with me.
Damn boy.
Anyways, I don't keep my whole diaper bag on the ride with me, so I like to have this little guy in my purse. I actually saw a smaller, sleeker one, so I might replace that and get the smaller one and put this in there. But I do like that it holds like the little Neosporin in there, so we'll see. It fits, so it works for now. And then next, I like to keep this. It's a little treat bag, okay? And this has like the good stuff. I'll show you guys what we have. Little tiny bags of mini gummy bears. I have a toddler who's 2 and a baby. I wouldn't really give this to her. The lollipop I would if I needed to. So if there's a meltdown and the lines are really, really long, I don't normally give food like that. But I'm trying to keep the peace and not disrupt everybody, so I definitely would give them one of these. And I'm doing a whole Disneyland hacks video with kids coming up really soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. And then this other thing, I got these from Target, which, let's open one. These are Disney, and I love getting like the Disney food and bringing it to Disney. I don't know, I'm ridiculous, but it's so much cheaper too than buying it there, and they still get the little Disney stuff. But look how cute. It's a little Cinderella slipper. Isn't that adorable? So I keep these inside. So now we're left with the bags. Now this was also on my hacks video, is to keep clear bags inside. Now when they open this bag, they can see everything, but if you like to organize even further into little bags like I do, I highly suggest doing clear, because when you get to those lines, you have to unzip everything and it gets so annoying. So if you have 20 zippers, they're unzipping all of them. Yeah, it's stupid, but they're trying to keep you safe, so it's not that stupid. Anyway, so we'll do the first one. This is my little tech bag. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I keep inside of here. So I would, if I'm not charging, the little bear charger would go inside my tech bag. Then I have my little, what is it called? How do you turn this on? Oh, the top. This is my little light for at night. I keep that in there. Everything's pink, of course. I have my cordless, well, there's a cord, but I don't have to plug it in. It just goes around the back and you wear them like this, which I really like these. You have to charge them, so that stays in there. Then I have my purse hook. These are just, this is stuff that I normally keep in all my other purses. I like to just switch them to other bags, but this is a purse hook that I use. I got this off of, I forgot. Anyways, I'll try to link some if I can find it, but you basically hook your bag onto the table like this, so it doesn't touch the ground. I love this little guy. Next, I do an extra charger. This is the cord to charge that. So I like to have this on hand, so if I want to recharge this and I'm sitting there and I see a plug or something, then I might just plug that in. Okay, then I also have a shorter charger for that. because I need a million chargers, but I do keep that on me. And I like to have extra chargers just in case somebody else needs one. Then I have my little stylus because obviously I do YouTube and I like to do, so you write on your phone with this. My little stylus I keep in here if I want to do a post or something. Okay, then I have a cube charger because just in case. Then I have my little, what is this called? This is to take the pictures from your SD card and upload them to your phone. This is life-changing. I love this thing, you guys. Oh, and these are my little cord things. So when I'm done with my cords, I wrap them up in these little guys here. So anyways, that's everything in my tech bag. Next, we have my little makeup bag, toiletries, whatever you want to call it. So first I have the best lip balm in the whole world is by Jouer, and it's the Essential Lip Enhancer. The bomb, you guys, I swear by this, especially when you're at Disneyland. Just feel like the wind's blowing in your face, you're on all the rides and your lips get chapped. Okay, then I have whatever lip combo. I usually use 3 different things on my lips. I do a lip liner, I do a liquid lipstick, and then I do this lip strobe. So these 2 are by Huda Beauty, and this one is by ColourPop. Then I have a little thing of lotion. I have a hair tie and some Tylenol. And then I have my facial setting spray, but it's SPF, and you can actually keep reapplying it because, as you know, sunscreen wears off, I believe. I think it's 2 hours or something, so it doesn't last all day, so you can keep reapplying this. And it doesn't come in this. I bought this off of Amazon and I just refill it and stick it in here. So this is so nice to have. You can spray it on your kids because it's all natural mineral based, so it's really nice. Okay, then in the very back, last thing, I already showed you guys this stuff, is this other little bag. And I always usually have a Tide stick, but my Tide stick is in the car, and I at least keep Shout wipes. So I have little Shout wipes here because I always spill, everybody always spills in my family. And then these are just alcohol pads, but I keep those all inside. Last pocket is this very tiny little pocket right here. And I keep hand sanitizer, which is mandatory. I'm a hand sanitizer freak. And then I also have another lip product and my Lysol. I like to have one lip product up front just in case I need to use something really quick. My lips feel dry. So that's everything that I have in my bag. The last thing I wanted to show you guys is my phone case. Now, you don't have to get this particular phone case. I mean, honestly, it's ridiculous. This is probably one of the purchases that I'm like, oh, it's so annoying that I bought this because it's cracking and everything. But I like that it has a cover. There's a place right here for cards. So this is my annual pass. I keep my annual pass, my ID, and my credit card. So it's right here. And obviously I feel like your phone's always on you, you're taking pictures and stuff. So when I'm going to go get in line, you just pull your little, you know, pass out or whatever. You don't have to dig inside your bag. I feel like this has been super handy, but I would just suggest getting a case that has a little compartment for your cards. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Disneyland day bag video. I love these videos because it's like what's inside my purse or what's inside my bag, and I love seeing what's inside other people's stuff. So this was fun for me to do. If you guys could use anything I showed you here today, give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell if you haven't done so already. I'll be listing everything I can find for you. And if you guys have made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much. I so appreciate you guys. Give me a little corn dog emoji and let me know, Lorna, I made it through and watched your video all the way. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna. Bye.